Hey Jen and Max, welcome to San Miguel de Allende. We are here just for less than 24 hours on our way between Querétaro and Guanajuato, but we invite you to join us as we wander the streets here. It's kind of a cloudy day, kind of cool. It's probably 65 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to be wandering around until it maybe starts to rain.
And then if it rains, we're gonna pop into like the most amazing coffee shops that we've seen around.
Okay, join us on the journey. What do y'all think? Should Kat buy these or should Kat not buy these? Let us know in the comments below. So we're in the Artisans Market here in San Miguel de Allende, and Kat is having just a shopping bonanza going on right now. So, and this is really big. I've not been here. When I was last in San Miguel de Allende, I didn't know this was here. So yeah, there's a lot of shopping to be had and some pretty good deals too. The Artisans Market is a more traditional market where they have food stalls and vegetables, whatnot, meats, fish, and we had lunch here, which was wonderful. I got this shake that was made of, like, it's a coconut shake. They called it a choco milk, but there was no chocolate in it. Coconut milkshake type of thing, and some really great sandwiches. Sweet, maybe we should go in there. We'll go in there maybe later. Pull some lunch. So this church at the center of San Miguel de Allende is amazing, gorgeous from the outside, gorgeous inside, but they were very clear that you could not have cameras or video cameras or hats or dogs. So you are going to have to come to San Miguel de Allende if you'd like to see the inside.
All right, so it started sprinkling outside, and so we jumped into this super cozy coffee shop, and I got a cappuccino, and it is so good. Like, you know, the coffee gods were kind to me, and they allowed me to get a really good cappuccino.
Okay, so this is where our Airbnb is. There were directions to go through this lamp store, which we looked at earlier. Interesting. And hola, vamos allá. Gracias.
Okay, por ahí. Más o menos en 10 minutos.
Okay, they actually sent us a video, and then it was up to the right. Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna get in and out when that shop is closed. So, okay, I'm gonna need to close and figure out how this works. Gonna have to shut off the camera now. Okay, good news. We followed the directions a little better. The keys were in front of that store. So that's where we're staying. Pretty simple place. The cat said I should wander up here. A little kitchen. Oh, nice. You can see everyone's balconies here. And the church. And that church. Nice view. Okay, so I feel like we're in an escape room now, or a horror movie, because now that we want to go out to dinner, the shop is closed, and we don't know how to get out to the street. So there's this little hole that Kat can shove her hand through, but then we can't really reach anything on the other side, and the key goes in most of the way, but not all of the way. So
I'm locked in, but good thing I brought lots of breakfast bars for dinner.
Yeah, and I just messaged our Airbnb host, but I'm gonna look and see if we have a number for them too. So wish us luck. Okay, so talking to the Airbnb host, all we had to do really was push the door really hard and it popped open. So anyway, we're now out and going out to dinner and gonna enjoy San Miguel.
It was a close one. We almost starved to death.
Nearly starved.
Horn bands. Okay, I'm super excited because I've really been missing Indian food. So we got this vegetable korma and we got garlic naan. So excited.
Indian food is one of those things that does not exist at all in La Paz. We were excited to see it last night when we were in Querétaro. We saw an Indian place. We didn't eat there last night, but we already had plans. But tonight we are digging into some Indian food here at Bhaji Curry House in San Miguel de Allende.
amazingly beautiful and a excellent workout. Like if you lived here, you'd be up and down and your leg muscles would be awesome. But it'd be worth getting the incredible coffee every morning. So we just found this little, I'm going to call it pocket church. It's just this beautiful, tiny little chapel. And then with these gardens and little like park around it. I love this. This is amazing. This is like the secret, I don't know, treasures that I like to find when I travel.
Whoa, check out these knockers.
They're called dragons.
Dragons. From Casa Dragon. Wrapping up our time in San Miguel de Allende, here for less than 24 hours, but yeah, this is definitely a place where you could spend a few days at least.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, yep. Keep yourself entertained. This morning we did some nice walking through the hills. It is definitely a hilly town.
Warms you up.
Warms
Good
you up.
exercise.
Yes. Met some interesting folks up by the Mirador. Candace and Rick.
Yeah, good job.
Look at that. I never remember anyone's name. So anyway, this is wrapping up our video here about San Miguel de Allende. We've got another one down here about San Miguel de Allende, and wish you were here. Hasta luego.